Hello. So we got another game here called Toilet Room. Actually nakita ko lang siya sa randomly sa Google. So I think medyo interesting siya. So we will probably gonna try checking this out. It's probably the spookiest game I've ever gonna play. So good luck to me, I guess. So I think we only have three options here. I don't think we can change some setting, but I guess I just hop into it. Dude. Last videos medyo packed up yung microphone ko, so ang dami kong chinage actually sa mic ko. So hopefully it's fixed na. Oh my fucking god. May crouch, okay. Wala siya ganong lore. I think puro toilet lang. Ew. What? What? Ew. It's probably have some exit I could. So I think meron pinto dito for sure. There you go. Hello? Ang bandot siguro dito. This place kinda remind me nung mga public toilet during high school. Apakapabantot doon, grabe. Yan. Hindi ko gusto yung atmosphere, okay? My fucking god. Bakit ba puro horror niche yung mga nilalaro ko? Probably may something sa isa sa mga toilet na to. I can crouch at least. For sure, may panis na lang. Amoy panis na ihi dito. Feel ko may jumpscare sa isa sa mga cubic dyan. Sa mga toilet, I don't really want to. Ang ina naman. Ano yan? Oh my god! Apaka nerve-wracking niya, bro. Whatever man. Apakalakas na music sa akin, by the way, ah. Pwede bang magtago sa mga toilet dito? Feel ko may chase na magaganap for sure. Nanggaling na ako dyan. What? Fuck! Where's my flashlight? Okay. Flashlight? It would be awesome kung flashlight yung hawak ko, pero lighter? What the fuck? Oh my god, man. At least may sprint. No, actually, it's bad na may sprint. For sure, mayroong chase na magaganap. Kala ko pa. Hello? Ayoko i-open lahat ng... Okay, never mind. I just go ahead and explore. Puro nga. Sa bagay, toilet yung title. Siguro, wag naman sana mukhang Skibidi Toilet yung monster. Hopefully. Hello? What's my objective, man? I don't fucking know, okay? Find the exit. Of course. Find the exit. Find the exit. Ah. Ah. First time ko maglaro ng ganitong type ng game, okay? Baka meron daan. Wala, may map ba ako? Wala. Okay. Oh, here you go. What? What? Hello? Bahala na si Batman. Um... Okay. Eh, may tao dito. Hello, homeless guy. I haven't met people for a long time. Who are you? I'm just like you. The person who's stuck here. I'm not stuck. I don't know exactly, but this kind of endless corridor full of toilet cubicle. How long have you been here? I don't know. A morning or night will, I don't know either, man. I don't have a clock, so I can't tell. How do you survive here? Well, I found a mattress. I slept on it. Cool, man. Can we share a bed then? There's water from the tap, or in extreme cases from the toilet. Ew. And the food is the insect that lives here. Ew. Where did you find the goose? I found a goose in a pot. He hunts insect and bring them to me. How do I get out of here? No idea, man. To be honest, I don't even try. Oh my god, no. Why? I heard strange noises not far from here, and I am afraid to go far from the shelter. But my goose found some key. Maybe you find some use. Oh no. Here, take it. Probably meron ng chase sequence dito. I need to find the door for that key. Hello, goose. Can I take the goose? Need ko ng emotional support at least. Come on, dude. Alright, see you later, man. Probably gonna die. So, saan ko gagamitin yung key? I'm honestly scared. There you go. Oh no, man, I don't know, I'm scared. Toilet. What? Oh my god. What? Oh my god, so need ko ng plunger. Need ko siya whatever, man. Try ko na lang hanapin yung plunger. Good luck to me, I guess. Hello? Hello? What? What? No! No! Fuck! Ah! Holy shit, saan ako pupunta? Wait! Where? No! No! Fucking hell, man. I don't even know where to go. I don't even know where to go, man. What? Damn it, to. Oh, there. There. Go! 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 Keep moving. Wala siyang... saan ako pupunta? Oh my god! I'm gonna die! Please, bro. Wait, saan ako pupunta? Keep going. I just keep going then. Keep going then. I don't know where to go, man. Ang spooky niya! I'm just following the... Plunger! Plunger! Move! What? No! Fuck this shit, man. You slow, bitch. No, it's gonna... Oh, keep going. What the fuck? Ang bilis niya. Okay. What? So natapos na yung chase sequence. Oh my god. Okay, here. Here's your plunger, boy. You like that? You like that, huh? Ah, sorry, man. Hey, no worries. Thank you. Anong klaseng friend? Surely. Oh, tama. Oh my god, there's more. There's more. So, nanid ka naman ah. Toilet water to for sure. Ew. Hello? Bakit ko hanapin? Do I need to climb here? No? Okay. Baka may chase sequence pa din ito. Sana naman hindi. What? Sorry, ba't na pa? Need ko... Exit? Hello? I think I need to follow that long fucking pipe. Fucking shit, man. Ito, Leviathan. Yeah. You fucking scared me, man. Wow. Nawala na akong question, boy. Thank you, man. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Take me, man. You sure, eh? Ah! May pinaliliguan tayo. Oh, hell yeah, bro. What? Punta ba ako sa kanya? Ha? Mataas ba yung tubig? Malulunod ako, bro, please! No! I'm going to down! And we die. That's it? Wait, parang ang bilis. Or not. Pero yeah, medyo nag-enjoy ako kahit pa paano. So, at least hindi siya gaano mahaba. So, if I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but this the toilet room. It's a game from itch. Ayo. If you want to play it yourself, you can just search his title and yeah, download it. It's pretty fun. It's okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Taglish English. What the fuck?